everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to very easily hard reset your Samsung phone. So what you want to do is go to the power button, volume down, hold that down, and then hold down the power button, volume up when the phone screen goes off. Now the key here is if you do not have a cable connected to your PC and connected to your phone, it's simply not going to bring you to the recovery screen. So plug this in, that's the key, then hold down the power button, volume down, and the screen will go off after maybe like 5 to 10 seconds. So continue to hold this down. Now switch, power button, volume up, and continue to hold this down. The screen will flash a little bit, that's fine. Continue to hold this down, and we can see the Samsung Galaxy logo on the screen now, and here we are. We can unplug this. We no longer need it plugged in. Use the volume key to go down, power button to select, then do it one more time. And you'll go through the recovery option now to recover your phone and hard reset it. Very simple. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.